Blessings and praises be upon our Lord Prophet Muhammad, his household companions, the reckoning, our fathers, mothers, brothers and sisters in Islam, saying once again, Assalamu Alaikum Warahmotullah Wabarakaatuh.
Alaikum Assalaam Warahmotullah Wabarakaatuh.
Our topic for today is virtue of i'tikaf and the night of majesty, or the night of decree. Wabarakaatuh. Indeed, what we mean by al-i'tikaf is seclusion in the house of Allah in the last 10 days of Ramadan. You seclude yourself with the intention of ibadah. You seclude yourself in the masjid with the intention of moving closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You seclude yourself in the masjid to observe all necessary ibadah for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Without having any other intention, you go for i'tikaf. You don't go i'tikaf with the intention of making friends. You don't go for i'tikaf with the intention of having connection with some people. You don't go for i'tikaf with people that knows more about politics. When you get to i'tikaf, the intention of the seclusion is for you to be more closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Also, it was narrated from Imam to the Ikoyi by Sa'id al-Khudri radiyallahu anhu said, قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم Imam to the Ikoyi said that man kana i'takafa ma'i, whoever wants to seclude with me, Prophet Muhammad, فليعتكف عشر الأواخر. If such person to seclude himself in the last 10 days of Ramadan. You want to do seclusion, you want to do i'tikaf, your i'tikaf should be done in the last 10 days of the month of Ramadan. Now we are moving to the last 10 days of Ramadan. Today, inshallah, will be 16th day of Ramadan. While by Monday will be 20th. But when you want to commence your i'tikaf should be started before the sunset on Monday. You enter the masjid in which you plan to seclude yourself. You enter the masjid and before the sunset on Monday. While you go on with that till the night of May, till the night of Eid al-Fitr. That's our condition. Even Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to us, "What's about Allah?" And you want to do that, Prophet Muhammad with your money. There's another narration from Aisha radiyallahu anha who said, Prophet Muhammad كان رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إذا أراد أن يعتكف صلى الفجر. That Prophet Muhammad, whenever he wants to do his i'tikaf, he will pray Salatul Fajr, ثم دخل معتكفا, so he will enter masjid to start his i'tikaf. So you have two options. It's either you enter the masjid before the sunset, which is the 20th night, or you will start after Fajr in the next morning, which will be Tuesday, so you can enter the masjid at all that time. So you have two options, since we have two narrations from Prophet Muhammad on that. So now you intend to do your i'tikaf, but the major intention behind i'tikaf is we are seeking the night of majesty. That is the major intention. You are not just going to the masjid for i'tikaf, just to play, just to have friends, or you do your ibadah, but the major intention for you secluding yourself inside the masjid is, the major intention is seeking for the night of majesty, seeking for the night of majesty. That is the major intention behind it. That is our primary intention of it. So what are the things you should be doing when you are in the masjid? What should be persistent in doing is reading the Quran. You read Quran continuously. You read Quran while you meditate on Allah's word. You meditate on the meaning of the Quran. If you don't know the meaning, direct meaning, you can have your English or your meaning, whichever one that will be very convenient for you. Also about Allah. Another thing which you will do when you are in i'tikaf, don't engage in side talks, politics, discussion about, you now create a discussion about politics, you create a discussion about football, you create a discussion about anything. Don't create any discussion. What you need to do in the masjid in that period is ibadah. If there is a gathering which the seal is going on in the masjid in which you seclude yourself, you are doing your itikaf, you can join them and listen to the tafsir, listen to the lecture. Because that is part of the ibadah you are there to do. Wabarakaatuh. Laylatul Qadr. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made us know that Laylatul Qadr is the night that matters are changed. Matters are planned. Issues are organized. Something you think is bothering you, Allah will use that night to put your mind at ease. So that is why you as a Muslim, you don't have the opportunity of going for i'tikaf. It's not important to be in the masjid because of your daily activities. But at that particular, those nights, don't let it go by you without having your qiyam layl. Make sure you also wake up at that particular night. God Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, whoever wakes up and observes qiyam layl in the night of Laylatul Qadr, imanan wa ihtisaban, you do that sincerely. You do that in good faith. Prophet Muhammad said, his past sin will be forgiven. We all desire, we all want our sins to be forgiven. So use that night. That is Laylatul Qadr. You also seek for it. Don't just go for any party because some people will be calling you, inviting you, or collect donation for Laylatul Qadr. There is nothing of such in Islam. If you want to do sadaqah, do sadaqah. If you want to give someone money, give them money, but not in the name of Laylatul Qadr. Laylatul Qadr is not a celebration. Laylatul Qadr is not a festival. Laylatul Qadr is an ibadah which is prescribed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. So don't choose that particular night to extort people. Don't just go for Laylatul Qadr in a night. Laylatul Qadr is not just a night. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us to seek for Laylatul Qadr in all the last 10 days of Ramadan. And if He wants us to choose the day in which we will choose only will have been stated in the Quran or in the Hadith. But only narration in which you see from Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam only stated that you should seek for Laylatul Qadr in the odd numbers of the last 10 days. The odd numbers of the last 10 days is 21st night, 23rd night, 25th night, 27th night, 29th night. So that are the nights in which we should focus to seek for that. Remind you as a Muslim, do all your ibadah for the whole night. Do it in your room if you don't have the opportunity of going to the masjid or secluding yourself in the masjid. Do it in your room. Get yourself closer to Allah. Always have things to do in order to go closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You have this time now. Don't forget Ramadan is going. We started just like yesterday. We have limited days now, which you have the opportunity to start seeking for Allah's forgiveness. We've committed a lot of sins before Ramadan. Some of us are still committing minor sins in this Ramadan. Use this little period that remains in this month to seek for Allah's forgiveness. Wake up with the remaining night to seek for Allah's forgiveness, to ask for the goodness of this life and also hereafter. Use this remaining period to seek for Allah's mercy, because in this month, don't forget, it's the month of mercy, it's the month of Barakah, it's the month of Rahmah, it's the month of Maghfirah, which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has prepared for every mankind. So don't let this particular period go by without you seeing Allah's mercy, without you asking for Allah's forgiveness. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive all our sins and grant us the opportunity to witness the Laylatul Qadr. And grant us the opportunity to witness the Laylatul Qadr. And accept all our ibadah, accept all our prayer, and grant us all goodness in this life and also hereafter. Allahumma rabbana taqabbal minna innaka antas samiul alim. اللهم ربنا تقبل منا انك انت التواب الرحيم. اللهم ربنا اتنا من لدنك رحمه وهيئ لنا من امرنا رشدا. اللهم بلغنا ليله القدر، اللهم بلغنا ليله القدر، اللهم بلغنا ليله القدر، وتقبل دعاءنا فيها وتقبل صيامنا يا رب العالمين. اللهم ربنا آتنا نفوسنا تقواها وزكيها وأنت خير من زكاها، أنت وليها ومولاها. اللهم ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك، أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت، أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.